Click on Student Enrollment. Please select the class. Please select the student. Please ensure face in the circle. Tap in the circle. Please click on Accept button. Please click on Sync. Click on Student Attendance. Please select the class. Please click on Group icon. Please click on Portrait mode. Please ensure face in the circle. Please click on Proceed. Please click on Back button. Please click on Sync button. Click on Student Attendance. Please select class. Please click on Group icon. Please click on Landscape mode. Wait for the identification. Wait for the approve. Please click on Back button. Please click on Sync button. Click on Staff Enrollment. Please select Staff. Please ensure face in the circle. Please click on Accept button. Please click on Sync. Click on Staff Attendance. Please select the staff. Please ensure face in the circle. Please click on Sync button.